All new this midday, we do have a crew in Citrus County's Crystal River seeing the damage a tornado unleashed on businesses and homes. The concern for water as well. 10 Tampa Bay's Malique Rankin is there live for us right now. And Malique, we know there's already damage there from Hurricane Idalia. And with this, I mean, you just have to imagine that it is so overwhelming for neighbors.
Courtney, we're standing in some of the worst of it now. This is Ridgeview apartment complex. There are buildings here who had the roofs ripped off, the walls removed. Where I'm standing now, there's shards of glass on the floor, roof shingles, and when the wind picks up, there's a flurry of fiberglass that's blowing through this area. Behind me here, there's cars with the windows blown out. We're talking to neighbors here who understandably so incredibly emotional because overnight they lost everything. Talking to family members here who hunkered down in their bathtubs with their babies, and as this storm blew through, now a lot of them are looking up to the sky through their living rooms. Now in this area, the worst of it has passed, but the sheriff is saying, don't let your guard down just yet. Take a listen to what he said just moments ago.
We're still out there trying to make sure that there's nobody needing rescue, and let's not forget, we are projecting 3+ feet above normal high tide this afternoon, and we're already preparing to put our airboats and other high water vehicles over here on this side of the county because we saw historic flooding from Hurricane Idalia just over a month ago, and we're anticipating another storm surge type of event later today.
Now, despite the extensive damage you're seeing around me here, only minor injuries reported. There was one person from this complex that was hospitalized with some minor cuts and scratches. The sheriff tells us right now 2,000 without power. The National Weather Service is here now assessing and will soon be able to give the scope and severity of this possible tornado. We'll give you guys as much new information as we're able to, and we're working alongside the sheriff's office to deliver that to you. For now, live in Crystal River, Malique Rankin, 10 Tampa Bay.
Malique, thank you. And good news that we don't have injuries, more injuries from this.